Hey, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber and you've been watching my video, welcome back. Yes, this is your girl Petra, and I'm back again with another banger. Yes. Today, yeah, I know you can hear the excitement in my voice. I just got my hands into in another perfume that I'm thinking might be my new favorite. I don't know. It's still sealed, like wrapped with a plastic. I've not sniffed it. I don't know how it smells. Well, I think it might be my new favorite. And this perfume is from the house of Maison Asrar and it's called Libra. Yes, this is the box. You can see it's still sealed. I've not sniffed it. I've not tried it. So we're gonna do it together, okay? Let me unbox this. Hopefully it's my new favorite or your new favorite. I don't know. I don't know. Let's give this a try. Oh wow, the ceiling is not here. It's I'm still we're still in the journey. Ah, at last. That was a journey. Now, this is the box. Beautiful. How do you open this? Like a notebook? There she is. Hey cutie, come out. Beautiful. I love the packaging. Isn't this beautiful? This is so cute. Look at this bird. Cute. Now, oh, the cap is different. I think I have a perfume that have this kind of cap. Is this a pattern now? I don't know. It's like this is a new pattern, 2026. This is the pattern they're going for now. Cute. I love the design of the cap. It's not heavy, but it's metal. It's not heavy, very lightweight, but this is metal. Cute. You see the bed design? This is beautiful. Let me spray this perfume and then take you guys along because I can't wait. Okay, I can't wait to sniff this fragrance. Ooh, look at the atomizer. Beautiful. Mm, okay, it's fresh, woody, like citrusy. I'm just telling you from what I'm getting in the air. It's woody, citrusy. I don't know if there's amber or incense. I don't know what I'm getting, but I guess. Yeah, it's woody, but not too woody that you feel like you're just coming out from the furniture shop. No, it's woody, citrusy. It's beautiful. Now, let's go to the notes. Okay, top notes, you have aromatic notes, spicy notes, citruses. Middle note, you have powdery notes, floral notes, woody notes. In the base note, you have sandalwood, musk, and moss. Now, what I get here, this fragrance kind of remind me, but I'll prefer this to the other one. This kind of reminds me of one perfume that I used to have. I've given it away. I couldn't stand that. It makes me feel like I'm just coming out from the furniture shop. They don't smell the same. I'm giving you the wood that I'm getting here. It's giving me that perfume. I'm going to leave the picture of the perfume. It's called Mazaji. I think it's from Latifa. I'll leave the picture either on the top right or the top left of the screen. It kind of reminds me of that perfume. It's giving me Middle Eastern vibe. But this one, yes, I prefer this when it comes to the woody notes. Yeah, but that citrus in the opening and the spice and the aromatic notes kind of made it a bit. I have that kind of tolerance for it. Yeah, made it a little bit better. Yeah, made it a little bit better. But if you enjoy woody fragrance, you enjoy citrus, aromatic vibe, musk, and yeah, but just you're gonna get a lot of wood. You get the spices, you get the aromatic note and the citruses, and that powdery note kind of, and the wood kind of made it similar, a little bit similar to that particular perfume from Latafa. I think it's Mazaji. It's called. I can't forget the name because that is how I don't like that perfume. But this one is better. This is just the first sniff now. Okay. That other one, emasculated. I gave it tries over and over. I just could not stand it. Each time I sniff it or I wear it, I feel like I'm just coming out from the wood shop. From the opening of that perfume to the dry down was a mess. But this one, I like this one. I think I'm going to like this one more. This is woody, spicy, aromatic. I don't know how the dry down is going to be. I don't know if the floral notes that it have is going to project. I don't know. I can't tell. I don't know the lasting power of this perfume. Projection, this is moderate. Moderate. Yeah, longevity, I can't really tell. I'll have to test it. I'll have to wear it, then let it macerate and bring it back. Who do I see wearing this perfume? This is unisex, leaning more on a man to wear because I'm not a huge fan of woody fragrances. And if it's just the sandalwood that is in this perfume and the notes, I think I would have said, okay, it's really unisex. But that woody note, the aromatic note, and more sandalwood to eat again, yeah, this is more on a man to wear. First impression, yeah, more on a man to wear. But for after some time, after macerating, I think it might change. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna change. Let me spray it on my skin and then compare it with the test strip. Yeah, on my skin I get more of the that aromatic notes. It's more like aromatic as and wood on my skin. Yeah, but on the test strip I get that citrus and spice and not a lot of the aromatic notes. But on my skin I get a lot of aromatic notes. Yeah, and the spice and the wood. That is what I get. Reminding me The wood is reminding me of that Mazaji by Latafa. Either Latafa or Mason as Alhambra. I'm going to leave the picture on the side of the screen. No, it's Latafa. Yeah, I'm very sure of that. Latafa. Yeah, it's more aromatic on my skin, and on the test strip, it's giving me wood, spice, and the citruses. That's what I get. Yeah, I hope it's gonna. I hope it's gonna change after macerating. I just want the aromatic note. I don't have problem with aromatic note. I just want the wood, the woody notes and the sandalwood, especially the woody notes. I just want them to not to project. I want the floral notes to project. I want the moss to come out more. I want the citruses to project to like dominate in the opening and the aromatic note. I don't really care much about the spicy notes. And that powdery note can just be in between. But I want the floral note to project more. Or for it to blend well. Not too woody. Yeah, not too woody. Yeah, it's still giving me that aromatic, woody, spicy vibe on my skin. I like it the way it smells on the test strip than on my skin. Yeah. If you have this perfume, what do you think about it? This is really not my vibe, but I'm not going to conclude that it's a for me or yeah, I love it. I'm going to let it, I'm going to test it. Um, I'm going to spray it, wear it, let it macerate, and I'll bring it back. I was thinking that this is going to be one of my favorites, but I'm not going to conclude now. I'll bring it after macerating. Then I will tell you what I think, my final conclusion on this fragrance. Bottle wise presentation, I love it. It's a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. But the perfume itself, the juice itself, I'll give this 8 out of 10 for now. 8 out of 10. A solid 8 out of 10. Yeah. Okay, now the aromatic note is now drying down, allowing the powdery note to project. Now it's a little bit powdery on my skin. I think this is a one-to-one with this perfume from the house of Armani, Giorgio Armani. Um, Stronger with You, Sandalwood. Yeah, I don't know how that one smell. I've not sniffed it, so I can't tell if it's uh exactly one to one with that one or if this one is different. I can't tell if it's exactly the same or not. I'll try and get a sample of that one and see if it's exactly one to one. Yeah, 8 out of 10. I was thinking it's gonna be my exact kind of fragrance. But I love the presentation. I love the bottle. I love the bottle. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, 8 out of 10. Um, if you have this perfume, what do you think about it? If you don't have it, would you like to try this? Is this something you want to try? Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about this perfume? Is it your vibe, your kind of fragrance? Let me know in the comment section. I'm just like, let me not conclude yet till after macerating. Yeah, because we're just bringing it out from the box. We've not tried it. We've not given it time to macerate. And we don't know how long it projects. Yeah, how long it lasts, not project, how long it lasts on clothes and on skin. So I'll try it and bring it back to you. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you want more fragrance review, and if you enjoy my video, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much, and like I always say, and I'll keep saying this, love yourself, be kind to yourself and be kind to others, and keep smelling good. And I will see you in my next video.